What's up? We're doing a fuel drain right now. Going from the fuel line that runs to the fuel rail. You can see it's right there. And I've got my hose taped off right there, and it runs right down into the gas tank. Tuned at roughly about 35% right now. And once it gets to 100, the fuel should start flowing. We are now at 97%, 99, and there she goes. The fuel pump is activated and it is pushing that fuel on out. And this is the proper way to do a fuel drain. Easiest way. And we'll keep going until it trickles all the way out. And it's still coming on out. You want to do this when you got approximately 20 miles to E, so that way you can make sure that you're getting whatever reserves left in the tank. That'll be approximately 4 gallons. And it's still flowing on out. It's starting to slow down a little bit. I kind of hit the power on and off as needed, so that way it will start coming out. Like, it'll start flowing out a lot faster until it gets to the end. I restarted the fuel pump, and she's still coming on out of there a little bit. She is almost a dribble in there. She's about done. I won't want to run the fuel pump too much longer. But yep, that is how you do a proper fuel drain on a 2016 or S550 and up. Alright, so the last part of this, I'm putting some 93 in. I put maybe a quarter of a gallon in there, just so that way it flushes the rest of the 85 out. And that would be the official completion as soon as it finishes draining.